You're back to back all day. You're walking into meetings with exactly 2 seconds to prepare, while your schedule is spinning out of control. The solution is to build a personalized AI chief of staff. You can code a custom web application that triages your calendar, reads your emails, and generates structured meeting briefs before you even walk through the door. Solving your own schedule is the blueprint. From there, you can lead your entire team through a Builder Day, a structured hackathon designed to move them from watching AI to actually using it. To lead an organization into these new tools, you have to establish your own technical baseline first. To connect an AI to your actual schedule, you generate an API token from Google Cloud. You store your calendar and email variables safely inside a local environment file. You have to set strict guardrails in your code. Limit the AI to read-only access for your calendar and restrict it to read and draft-only permissions for your email. With access granted, the AI runs a morning triage. It scans your upcoming day, flags meetings that could be handled async, and identifies if you're spending enough time with your customers. It then looks at those conflicts and automatically writes draft messages to your admin. It suggests exactly which meetings to delegate, reducing the friction of managing your own time. Instead of using a terminal, you can use an AI coding assistant to generate a custom, ephemeral web interface to display this data exactly how you want it. You can design something as simple as a blue-lined index card that displays your absolute top priority tasks for the day, keeping your morning cognitive load low. Building a bespoke temporary interface allows you to bypass the clutter of standard apps and focus only on what matters for the next 12 hours. To give this agent long-term memory, you migrate your personal context into local Markdown files within your repository. You create separate files for your communication style guide and a log of recent company updates. This structured local context acts as a persistent brain. The AI references these files to ensure every response is tailored to your specific role. You can use this for high-speed research. For example, you can take a screenshot of a dinner guest list and drag it directly into the interface. The AI reads the image and isolates every individual name on that list. It then runs autonomous web searches to pull professional background data for every attendee. Finally, it cross-references that external data against your personal Markdown context to find the most relevant points of connection. The output is a formatted research brief generated directly into your local directory, giving you conversation starters before you ever leave for the event. Standardizing your data through Markdown allows you to turn a raw screenshot into a strategic advantage in seconds. Once you've built your own tools, you scale the practice by running a Builder Day. You halt normal operations for 24 hours so the entire organization can build working AI prototypes. You separate teams into tracks, like product, design, or data science, with specific warm-up assignments for each. To keep people moving, you set up a dedicated on-call engineering support channel to immediately unblock non-technical employees. The day ends with a cross-functional judging panel, where the resulting prototypes are evaluated and prizes are awarded. To justify the pause in operations, you have to measure the actual change in team behavior. You track active platform seats, compare how many people use these tools before the event, and watch the adoption rate spike upward immediately after. Pairing this usage data with post-event surveys shows employees successfully overcoming the friction of learning new systems. By giving the team a dedicated day to build something tangible, you replace abstract curiosity with actual hands-on experience. You started with a calendar problem and ended with a locally hosted AI chief of staff handling your triage and research. That personal fluency is what allowed you to lead a Builder Day that drove measurable tool usage across your entire team. That first weekend project provides the technical foundation you need to guide the rest of your organization through the same learning curve. Block off your calendar this weekend, vibe code a single Markdown workflow to solve one personal problem, and then schedule your first company Builder Day.